결혼 단다 딜라도 소 먼저 통하니 온다 단다이나 the word so
Okay. Simple present tense tana 100 rows later.
디 남균이 치바치바 droda 베네스나 장주 그래 played football regularly dasamba 니마 타파체 디요라
An action that occurs on regular basis. Namgyu neche de jura chawa jura. Namgyu neche de gi chawa jura. Namgyu neche de gi na dige sangma simple present tense na dures. Ani yang chi khalo na fact ngone ingyo penachas na manzo dindachi na sadiyo la de sadiyo ra.
Euro.
Oh, dige sangma fact ra. This is sangma simple present tense na dures. So simple present tense to the number khadu ne subject plus verb one. Verb one na base verb de. Penachas na go roina go around the share and plus object. Penachas na here. Changchu plays football regularly. Changchu plays football regularly. Changchu, nima takpa rishi football takpa se dires. Sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. Demba re demba mara. Demba ra. So tharing answer de anga. Tharing is locked in the simple present tense strong kanarada. Wal ache mandra. Now what you have to know is you have to know about this. Teach you how to chore. Then I will give some examples. Tipo the person I example so we will learn through example. I cook breakfast every day. Is it simple present tense?
Yes.
How?
Because it's a hobby. Like
every day.
Yes. First, every day we know that it's a simple present tense because second, we know from the verb. Verb negotiate. Verb dikarto.
Cook.
It's a base one verb. No, it's a base one verb. Base one nana. V1 verb. V1. Thangbude nganzo tuju ne hagude every day lifestyle. Dine hagure every day lana nganzo gi khartung gore the habitual and repeatedly. Nima takba komgyo ta happy good and habitually and repeatedly every day lana nima takba chedi gi ladu tamba there's a habit and there's a repetition da.
Yes.
We know that it's a simple present tense. What is that? And next, what?
The like every day or all the time.
Yes, all the time. Look, nyegi shambaste ora. So you will know from there. Some yang antolia and the road sick the da. Always. Always lato da. Daily lato da. Yearly lato da. Regularly. Or sometime every day. Sometime every year. Sometime today. Every week. It's a hint. Sometimes these also shows that the sentences are simple present tense. What is that?
Yes.
Some these are sentence naliyo vaina This also shows that the sentence is present tense. Tanda chung de yu wa re. The hint. Cosa sa? Hint la na halos.
Tip console. Direta. Like it's like a hint. Like you say, "Where are you?" and then you have to like you don't say where you are, but you just say like
For sign or symbol
yeah.
rostita. Yes. Okay, so sometimes sentence na like say always do the daily, do the yearly, do regularly, do every day, every year, today, every week, do you right na? It's these sentences are simple present tense. What is that?
Yes.
These are cancel notes, the notes. Okay. Okay, next day 7 days make 1 week. It's
also present tense.
Why?
Because it's a fact. Like 7 days is a week.
Yes, it also shows the fact. 1 week last. 1 week last. Tunda chikla. Ima do your like tunda chik toad. Ani tine. They. Where's the verb 1? This is 1. Make. Verb 1. Make. Sometimes also verb la ta negotiate. Sometimes fact la ta negotiate. Sometimes these are hint the ta negotiate. What is that?
Yes.
Okay, next. We all need one another. देखा रहा है?
We need one another. It's also a fact because we are like social animals and we need one another.
Yes. They are called universal truth. Universal truth. They are also called universal truth. Because nganzo pas michik chi late mo re mara. Nganzo michik chi su chibo so mara. So we need to depend to each other. Sometimes you have to depend to your parents. Sometimes can't trouble up them. Sometimes trouble does can't let you get ra. So we all need one another. Nganzo su la chik kore jimije. These are like universal truth there. So those universal truth are also a simple present tense not Okay?
Yes.
Okay, now look now it's present tense. Now can so go say ji khalawa. Chi can so khare. Verb day is the present tense. Present tense. If the action is habitually or regularly. Ngingula tishi gets sa. Verb the khadu ne present tense khadu chere kisi kyorangi chawa chiye cho marwa.
Nima takpa shiyo na.
Nima takpa chiyo na kirangi habit ro shi na. Ani kirangi verb the present tense cheres. Kosi sa?
Ani gela hobbit so habits ta hobby la kansare.
Habit the hobby loga de. Habit the so nima takpa kiran chewo re pena shashna kiran habit ste mo ro sa na nail biting na kiran nima takpa so sani de war. That's your habit. Kiran habit chat wora. hobby la na kirang ta ni hobby khari la na basketball se ko yesta and this is how the show my kirang ya tuzu susu gi tuzu ya ko na tuzu susu da combo do you na you go for the ground and you play right can see what that's hobby can go you la jora habit they can get the susu chinyu ma trene the short rugor it's become habitual later kirang ransing is short rugor because you did it every day nima takpa chetu the number ransing ya what you call reinforced or chat rugor what's it
Yes.
habit hobby la there's a difference hobby it's just that you like it habit de kirang gai me de ha ku mar but you do it every day kirang takpa chior nail biting do na it's become a habit for somebody ra penasna mika se do nail bite sin di da ya sometimes they become anxious they bite the nail sometimes they are just daydreaming they bite the nail sometimes they're eating they bite the nail sometimes they're watching TV they bite the nail ra
Yes.
so yuzugi color habit la jura habit la de you don't know it can get go to mare habit de can go me la jura it become your habitual ni matak pa de cheshor ko ransing ge cheshor ko you have no control it ra can get control me wa cheshor ko but hobby la de you have control can go na can draw se can enjoy chora
Yes.
that's your hobby what is that
Yes. So if isn't an addiction when you are addicted to something.
Hobby, there's no addiction. Hobby,